Unraveling the mystery of being lost in love. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of emotions and expressions, focusing on what it means to be lost in love. This phrase captures the profound and often overwhelming experience of love. Whether you're a native speaker or learning English, understanding these expressions can enrich your communication and emotional expression. So, let's explore together. To be lost in love is a metaphorical expression that describes a deep, immersive state of emotional involvement with someone. It suggests that a person is so deeply enamored or infatuated with another individual that they become somewhat oblivious to everything else around them. This can include losing track of time, ignoring other responsibilities, or being unaware of the outside world because their thoughts and feelings are consumed by the person they love. This phrase has both positive and negative connotations. On the bright side, being lost in love can signify a blissful, euphoric state where the world seems more beautiful, and everyday problems fade into the background. It's a testament to the power of love to uplift and transform. However, there's also a cautionary aspect, suggesting that one might be so caught up in their emotions that they lose a sense of self or neglect other important aspects of life. Throughout literature and pop culture, being lost in love is a recurring theme. Romantic novels, poems, and songs often explore this concept, depicting characters or narrators who describe being swept away by their emotions. These examples can help learners understand the phrase's usage in various contexts and how it reflects the universal experience of love. When using the phrase to be lost in love, it's important to consider the context and the message you want to convey. It can be used to express your own feelings, to describe someone else's experience, or even in a more light-hearted, teasing way among friends. Here are some examples. I'm totally lost in love with them. I can't think of anything else. Look at them, completely lost in love and oblivious to the world. Being lost in love is a complex, multifaceted expression that beautifully captures the intensity and depth of romantic feelings. Whether you're experiencing it firsthand or observing it from the outside, this phrase allows us to articulate the profound impact love can have on our lives and emotions. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and nuances of being lost in love. Thank you for watching, and may your journey in learning English and exploring emotions be as enriching as love itself.